So optimism is very, very high right now. And why is that worth paying attention to? Well, this is what I like to call a contrarian indicator, meaning when everybody gets too one-sided in markets, it does not necessarily mean that the market has to reverse. And while it doesn't necessarily tell us exactly when the market's going to turn, if one side of the boat is really heavy and then everyone runs to the other side, it can cause the ship to you know what. So the point is, where I'm a little cautious on the markets right now is everybody is so bulled up. And when we look at the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ, which are ripping to fresh highs, I guess the S&P is the top dog here. Same thing with the Russell, had a really nice bounce back, although it doesn't look like as much. It's up 7% from those lows. So really big bounce back for a lot of stock indices, and especially some, of the kind of underperformers last year. We see the Dow Jones actually surprisingly up 6.4%. This is a really big move for what is traditionally more of a value-centric index. So my cautionary tale here is that everybody seems to be very optimistic about stocks, and I too am optimistic about stocks, but when everybody is bulled up, it makes me cautious. So I continue to trail my stop tighter and lock in more profits on the moves that I'm in, with willingness to get out of the way if this chart does truly reverse, because I think that the reversal could be pretty violent. If you want to try out some of the data that you just saw, you can access our tools by commenting the word trial or clicking the link in my profile for more information.